Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Chevy Silverado door handle. We'll start by identifying the problem, then gather all the necessary tools. Next, I'll walk you through the repair process, step by step, making it easy to follow along. Finally, we'll cover reassembly and crucial testing to ensure your handle works perfectly. Let's get your truck's door handle working like new again. First, let's figure out what's wrong. Is your interior handle broken or is the exterior one sticking? Sometimes handles can even peel, creating sharp edges. Once you know the issue, gather your tools. You'll need a flat-tip screwdriver, 7mm, 9/32 inch, and 10mm sockets. Also, grab a ratchet, an extension, trim removal tools, and needle nose pliers. Having these ready will make the job much smoother. Now, let's get to the repair. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel and any surrounding trim pieces. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cables or rods. Once those are free, you can unbolt and remove the old, broken door handle assembly. Finally, install your new handle, making sure all clips and rods are securely attached and properly aligned for smooth operation. With the new handle in place, it's time to reassemble. Reconnect all cables, rods, and electrical harnesses. Carefully align and reattach the interior door panel, ensuring it snaps firmly into place. Replace all trim pieces and screws you removed earlier. Lastly, and most importantly, thoroughly test the new door handle from both the inside and outside to confirm it opens and closes correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.